the Junkers. The tri-motor configuration, one engine on the nose, two mounted on the leading edges of the wings. And a really quite remarkable fuselage texture with this corrugated pattern that was adopted by Junkers and under license by CASA to create the flying surfaces and the fuselage covering of this transport aircraft.
This unique corrugation feature on the Junkers Ju-52 did not originate in this design. In fact, it came from a much earlier effort by Hugo Junkers and his design firm. It was sort of an expedient due to limitations and the lack of materials, but it was a corrugated duralumin structure. The corrugation actually functional, providing for greater tensile strength. As ungainly as the Ju-52 may appear, the skin is actually stressed, and therefore the skin itself bears the weight of those three engines, her undercarriage and wings, so it is a very rugged and